Well, here we are. Have a camera going. Just enjoying an afternoon here. It's a gorgeous day again. Been a gorgeous Easter weekend. Yesterday was phenomenal. Did some riding. I'm on my Enfield. I have a camera strapped to my head now, or to the helmet. I'm trying it out. This will be about a 20-minute ride, and we'll see how it goes. This is kind of one of my local area loops. Scratch my nose. Kind of windy today, but that's okay. A slight fogging issue every so often. I have to open up the visor, let it clear out. But it's not a big deal. I did a test video a little while ago with the camera mounted to my helmet. It kind of turned out quite well. I noticed that where I was looking, you know, sometimes when I look down at the gauge cluster like this, the camera doesn't scroll down as far as I'm looking, and that's because, well, my eyes move. So I can check my, quick tilt of the head over the, full look down to see what's going on. But I did notice that on the Enfield, my head makes a hell of a lot better camera mount than the handlebar mount that I'm using for the other camera. The vibrations from the engine are really transmitted through the handlebars. This bike will leave your hands feeling numb after a while. I hope this gives you just a different perspective. I think it's kind of cool. And, it'll be just yet another camera in the arsenal. I actually have 3 of these cameras now. Running about 45 on this road. It's potholed like you wouldn't believe. I'm going to do something on my thumper that I wouldn't dare do on my Bonneville. Wow, looks like I'm following the fire engines out there, but that's okay. Looks like there might be a brush fire. No, that's a dust devil, I think. guys on a ride I kind of did yesterday. Just do it backwards. Sure, I'm going to get dusted by all kinds of traffic today because it's Saturday. Needless to say, hopefully the video turns out. Yeah, I keep on saying I hope the video turns out. That's because I've had some problems with the cameras every so often. I think one likes to turn off for no reason. These things eat batteries big time. I bought some generics. They just suck. Let's see, which way do I want to go here? Do I want to just go forward? We'll pick up the upper road. There we go. I would not do this on my Bonneville. Bike just is, you know, Bonneville is my road bike. This is my pseudo-adventure bike. I'll take it on these dirt roads now. Still haven't done tires, but that's coming up very soon. We're just north of Socorro. In fact, this ditch is the Socorro. It's one of the major drainages for Socorro, for storm drain. And we're coming up in one of these riverine parks along the Rio Grande. This is where that storm drain dumps into the Rio Grande. Kind of cool, good. You know, it's it's the river in the desert. Kind of cool stuff out here. You don't know about it. It's one of those. I don't want to call it a hidden treasure, but just one of those things that if you didn't know it was here, nobody would tell you because nobody promotes it. I'm just going to turn her around here, because I know this doesn't exit. And we'll pick up the ditch road, and we'll ride that back down. We'll come back through Socorro. Yeah, just a quick, basically 50% dirt, if not a little bit more. I'm hoping that the main camera doesn't turn off during this trip. It has fresh batteries. Now I am going to ride this road a little bit slower. I'll keep it about 25 miles an hour. Biggest reason is I don't have a good front tire on it, and it does tend to wash out and rock and all that. You know, it's basically it's the stock Avon, I forget what it's called, but it's just a straight ribbed tire that does not do well on dirt and sand. Does good on pavement. The rear tire is also a stock tire, but it actually holds a little bit better on the dirt. Just putting along, enjoying the afternoon. It's marginally afternoon.